My name is Bradia Bud Smith. I've been coming for about 20 years, and the reason why I continue to come back is when I got hurt 20 years ago, and nobody really was trying to help me figure out how to stop the pain and how to keep on moving on. Dr. Heffron was always there for me, and he made me feel better. And I can say that every time I walked out of here, I walked a little bit taller. And to this day, I'm still here. I loved it.
Thank you.
The cute chick.
Relaxation.
Crack a lackin. Crack a lackin.
A little traction.
Uh-huh.
You ended it?